With the design of the project, we also need to add one more thing, a class where we will connect to our database without repeating the connection string. Okay, so I'll just click on my solution explorer. Let me do that again. Solution explorer, click on my millionaire, then right click and go to add. Let me just add class. You see add class, but if you cannot see class here, you can just go to add a new item. All right, you still see class from here. You add new item, look for class. Now please remember to name according to how I name mine. MSS, uppercase letter M and 2 lowercase s, right? Then add. Please take note of that. Now that is my public class is operable class MSS. So I press an enter key and go up. Then I'm going to import the system data OLEDB. All right, import system data .oledb. Since I'll be using the access database, so I'm calling the database function. I'm importing the reference for my access database. Now I'm going to please write this code according to how I'm writing it now, so that it won't give you error, because all the variable names that are here now are the ones that I used to connect in the main form. Please, so just write it the way it is. All right, I'll get to explain the code along the way. Now public bb as new OLEDB connection. Okay, so I'm declaring a public variable called bb to connect to my OLEDB, that is my access database, as the connection. Now I'm going to order my public sub to connect. That's done. Now after telling my public sub to connect, I'm going to write connection string bb.connection string is equals to my provider. My provider is Microsoft .jet .oledb .4, that is OLEDB version 4.0. Then my data source will be equals to my data source will be gotten from my application startup. Remember, we will copy that database to the application, to the startup of the application. Now this is why we copied it, because I want my connection string to go to my application startup part and access my database there. Okay, application database setup startup. Okay, now once it gets to my startup, it has to connect with a particular database. You look for a particular database called money.mdb. all right, then you should connect to that. Get OLEDB database. Password of my database, I didn't password my database, so the password still remains nothing. Okay, so that is connection string. Now I'm going to check the states of the database. Every time the connection string runs, it checks the state of the database to check if the database is actually open. Okay, you get that? If the database is actually open. If the database is not open, all right, what it does is that it opens the database. But if you get that the database is open, it closes it. So I'm going to check the state. If bb.state, that is my connection string state, is equals to connection state dot open, then I'm modeling it to close first, then bb dot close. All right, so I already to close. Now I'm opening it in bb dot open. So before it performs any operation in my database, the connection string performs any operation, it has to check if the connection state had been open. If it had been open, it closes it first before it opens it again to work with it, so that it avoids errors of database is open. All right, so that is for the class. So the next step now is to copy the codes from my PDF where I've saved it and test this program to see if it will work. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll go to where I already saw my okay, I'll go to desktop, millionaire folder, millionaire projects, This is my PDF file. So I'm going to copy everything here down like this. You can control A, but I'm avoiding control because of my topic, my header. Okay, think like that. Then I'll copy it on. Then I'll come to my project, double click on my form. Now I'm going to wipe everything here clear. Alright, so I'm going to paste this new one. My code is scattered. Oh no, my code is scattered. Now we have to do it again. Ctrl Z, please. Ctrl Z. Alright, I think what I'll do is I'll be looking for the controls, names of the controls, and I'll be pasting them one after the other. Okay, so I'll do that like this is my button one. Click. Maybe I'll show the visible. Do I even have a button one? That is BTNH1. Okay, so what I will do, the code under BTNH1, this is BTNH1, as you can see here. I'll copy BTNH1, copy it like this, and I'll come to my form. This is my BTNH1, that is show answer. I'll paste it here. Then this one, I think it's supposed to come down like that. This one is supposed to come down too. I'm sorry about the misarrangement of the code, but this is now how best we can get to do this. So form load, when my form loads, need this to come around. So let's look. Okay, select the questions at random. Yes, here and if. Okay, so set current player from database. Let me see that is my end stop. You can see you stop before the end stop, like this end stop right here. I'll copy this one, then I'll go to my project, double click on my form and paste code there. Oh jeez, this is a disaster. But I think we get the hang of it. BLSN like that. I haven't done my SN yet. Which is going to be really hard. Looking for working. Oh no, this is not working as expected. It's not working as expected at all. Then my number is supposed to check that. Is it do if loop next? Okay, connect. Connect script. CSS connection. Command test. Put up. Then my reader. Check if it has rules. If it has reads, bring back my function, my options, my buttons. Now we have to find another way to do this. If not, you guys will just get confused with the code once you get it downloaded. Now this rearrangement is very bad. Hopefully I want to do something. Yeah, I will not do something for this project. Okay. The arrangement is done. Alright, but as you can see, it is not easy. I don't think you guys it'll be as easy for you guys to just do like that. So I'm going to close this video here. I'm going to see if I can come up with a better idea on how you can paste this code without having problems. Alright, so be right back.